Hey guys, this is Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net, and what you're seeing here are the various design concepts of the ROG Phone 2. Here on the right side are the many concepts that they put up, but none among all of these design concepts were actually inherited to the final version of the smartphone. And in terms of form and study, ito yung mga dimensions that they considered, and of course with regards to the battery that they wish to put up. Siyempre, habang kumakapal yung baterya o lumalaki, kumakapal din yung build ng smartphone. But again, the final configuration of the battery is 6,000 milliamperes, and the closest one here is of course this one, the 5850 milliamperes. They even actually considered putting up an ROG Phone 2 with 7,000 milliampere battery, and this just shows that it is possible for them to be able to do that at the 6.59 inch form factor. They also have actually bigger form factors, the 6.7 inch to 6.75 inch, from 5600 milliampere to 6500 milliampere. But then again, eventually the final configuration is, as I mentioned, a 6,000 milliampere battery with ROG Hypercharge. Now, another thing that is really good about the new ROG Phone 2 is the display. And as I mentioned, the ROG Phone 2 is the world's first 120Hz 1ms AMOLED HDR display with Delta E, less than Delta E display. So this means yung kulay na gustong lumabas ng mga developers of the game is exactly the kulay or yung kulay na lalabas dun sa smartphone. And again, these are the various design concepts they thought of. And there are reasons also for considering these design concepts because syempre these are the things that they wish to consider: grip experience, screen to body ratio, and also active area radius. And as you can see right here, this one right here is the worst among all, and they likely ended with this one. However, grip experience is good, but the problem is that the screen to body ratio is really bad on a 6-millimeter active area radius. But then again, eventually they probably finalized the build with this one at 3mm with balanced screen to body ratio and grip experience. So yun yung itsura niya. And the ROG Phone 2 is also the first smartphone from ASUS to sport an in-display fingerprint sensor. That's why if you compare it with the previous version of the ROG Phone 2, yung likod niya, yung in-display, yung fingerprint sensor niya rather is at the back is medyo payat o manipis. Isa yun sa mga reklamo ng mga users. And in terms of ID mockup, ito yung design ng likod. There are various also designs that they considered from Type A to Type 7. And again, as I mentioned, the closest that we're seeing here is Type E at mix and match of all the ID mockups that they put up. And now in terms of CMF development, ito yung coating niya. Yung kulay and everything. The closest one that I can see is a dark version of this one. Kaya pag nag-iba ng side, nagsha-shine through. Parang hunyango yung kulay niya. At least yung mga trimming or yung mga panel lines na ganun. Really fantastic design, and I know that they really put up a lot of heart and effort with the new ROG Phone 2. In terms of frame, ito naman siya. In the production process, they also considered this. They adopted high-end mobile phone standard. Nano molding technology yung ginamit na proseso, and the phone has more rounded body, improving the grip, and the hard touch holding to continue the user's gaming time. Para pang matagalan talaga yung gamit. They also improved the air triggers, and with the ROG Phone 2, they introduced the air triggers 2. They introduced this new version, so mas responsive siya, and there's also better haptic feedback on the ROG Phone 2. And another one is a dual surrounding vibration. So dalawa yung vibrators ito, so that mas immersive yung gaming experience. And it also supports several antenna, I believe a 4 antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, so that regardless of how you're playing your games, walang problema, hindi ka mawawala ng signal. So that is the reason why they put up several Wi-Fi antenna on the ROG Phone 2. Now, the new ROG Phone 2 features 3 layers of game cooling solution. Of course, we have here the panel. There's the thermal grease and 3D vapor chamber being one of the levels. Then the second level rather is it includes the frame, PCBA, and the cooling putty. And then, of course, the heatsink right over there. The deco mesh. So 3 levels siya. 3 levels. And another thing is that this smartphone is the first to have the Snapdragon 855 Plus. And that makes this one of the fastest smartphones around. There is also, of course, metal decorative ring at the back. And so evident yan if you take a look at, or if you focus your attention on the back design of the ROG Phone 2. Film prototypes, these are actually yung kaya nag-iiba-iba ng kulay kapag especially with the panels is because of the film prototype used at the back, or even the side bezels of the ROG Phone 2. And of course, syempre, yung decorative film design, another thing that they considered when putting up this smartphone. The ROG Phone 2 has various accessories ranging from gamepad mode to kunai mode, as you can see right here. Various accessories available, and we just really cannot wait to try out all of these once we've seen our review unit. So I guess that's about it for our quick design phases or history with the ROG Phone 2. Alright, so this has been Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. I hope you guys enjoyed our design concept tour of the ROG Phone 2 here in Taipei, Taiwan, and the official launch of the ROG Phone 2.